Hello everyone, and welcome to our cozy corner of YouTube. If you're looking to sprinkle a little Christmas magic into your bedroom without turning your whole home into a showroom, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll wander through a series of simple, practical ideas to decorate your bedroom for Christmas. The goal is a space that feels festive, warm, and restful. A place where you can wind down after a busy day and wake up to a little holiday joy. As you scroll through the first set of images, you'll notice a soft color palette. Think warm neutrals accented with traditional Christmas notes, a touch of red or pine green, maybe a whisper of gold. In these photos, the walls are calm, the textiles are plush, and the lights do most of the talking. The effect is cozy, not crowded, the kind of decor that invites you to snuggle under a throw with a mug of cocoa. Let's start with lighting, one of the most powerful tools in this game. In the next image, you see a string of fairy lights draped along the headboard or wound around a mirror. The glow is warm and gentle, like a constant, comforting fireplace glow. If you're working with a smaller space, you can loop a light strand around a curtain rod or frame a window with soft LEDs to create a festive frame for the room. The key is layering. Combine string lights with a couple of lanterns or a table lamp with a warm bulb. This layering creates depth and atmosphere without being overwhelming. The photos show light at different heights, over the bed, by the nightstand, and along a bookshelf, so your room feels dimensional and inviting. Next, we move to textiles. In these frames, the bed becomes the star of the show. You'll notice plush blankets, a quilt or faux fur throw, and an array of cushions in varying textures. Texture is your best friend here. A velvet pillow, a knitted throw, a faux fur square, and a woolen blanket all layered together bring a sense of richness. If your bedding stays pretty neutral, you can inject Christmas spirit with just a few seasonal accents. Think a plaid throw or a velvet cushion in red or forest green. And if you have a small space or a kid's room, keep the palette cohesive and opt for one pattern repeated in different scales for a calm, pulled together look. Let's talk about accents and focal points. In the next set of images, you'll see a garland draped across a headboard or along a wall, maybe with a few lightweight ornaments nestled among the leaves. A garland is versatile. It can be natural eucalyptus with a few pine cones, or a faux evergreen garland with warm white lights. If you prefer something less dense, a slim garland above a mirror or behind a desk creates a festive frame for the room without crowding the space. You can also place a small decorative Christmas tree on a dresser or a corner table. The key is scale. Choose a tree that fits your room and decorate it with simple, coordinated ornaments and a soft skirt or fabric cover to soften the base. In the images labeled as wall decor, you'll see framed seasonal quotes, minimal art with evergreen motifs, and perhaps a few holiday-themed wall hangings. Art that nods to winter, snowflakes, or holly can be subtle but effective. If you prefer a cleaner look, choose one piece that acts as the focal point, an ornament-studded frame, a decorative clock with a festive accent, or a simple wreath hung on the wall that works with your color scheme. Now to scent and atmosphere. In many photos, you'll notice a tray with seasonal diffusers or reed scents, and maybe a small lantern as a decorative piece. Scent plays a big role in making a space feel holiday-ready. You can opt for non-flaming options like reed diffusers, essential oil warmers, or scented sachets tucked into a drawer or pillowcase. Safety matters. Avoid open flames near textiles and bedding, and keep candles to safe spots away from curtains and bed linen. The visuals show gentle, clean arrangements that contribute to a calm, wintry mood rather than an overpowering fragrance storm. Every good Christmas bedroom has a little DIY charm. In the next group of shots, you'll see simple crafts, paper snowflakes on the windows, a pinecone garland looped over a door or placed along a shelf, and even a handmade ornament collection in a decorative tray. These projects can be done with items you already own or inexpensive craft supplies. If you're decorating with kids, these ideas become a playful activity that still respects a tidy, relaxing bedroom aesthetic. The trick is to keep DIY pieces small and cohesive with the rest of the decor so the room doesn't feel cluttered. Let's not forget texture and comfort in seating nooks. Many of the images feature a cozy reading chair or a window seat with a warm throw. A compact chair, a plush cushion, and a soft blanket invite you to curl up with a book or your favorite holiday playlist. If you don't have an obvious seating area, create one with a compact ottoman or a slim bench by a window. A small, inviting space makes your Christmas bedroom feel like a sanctuary, a place you actually want to be in during the holidays. Color is a powerful guide here. The pictures reveal different approaches: a traditional red and green scheme, a chic monochrome with white, gray, and metallic accents, or a warm beige with hints of forest green. The important part is consistency. Pick a main color, add one or two supporting hues, and keep metallic accents limited to a couple of pieces. Perhaps a brass lampshade, a gold-framed mirror, or small gold-toned trim on a picture or frame. A cohesive palette prevents the room from looking like a thrift store mishmash and helps every element feel intentional. Storage and decluttering also show up in several frames. A small basket under the bed for blankets, a decorative box for remote controls, and a neatly arranged dresser with a seasonal scent can make a significant difference. Christmas decor should enhance the space, not overwhelm it. In the photos, you'll notice clever organization that keeps surfaces clean, allowing the festive elements to shine without creating visual clutter. A quick word on practicality. Christmas decorating should celebrate, not stress you out. The frames emphasize flexible pieces, lightweight garlands that are easy to move, seasonal textiles that are machine washable, and decor that can be stored compactly after the season ends. If you're short on time, start with a focal point, perhaps a garlanded headboard or a single, well-chosen piece of art, and build around it over the days leading up to the holidays. Small, deliberate updates can transform a bedroom without turning it into a holiday showroom. Now, a few final ideas you can apply tonight. Create a warm welcome by layering textures at the foot of the bed or at the end of your chair. Drape a soft faux fur throw over the edge of the seat for an immediate sense of coziness. If you have a mirror, hang a string of lights around its frame to bounce the glow around the room. Add a tiny, tastefully decorated Christmas tree on a nightstand or a dresser top to anchor the scene. And remember, the goal isn't to imitate a store display. It's to craft a space that feels magical, personal, and relaxing. A place you love to retreat to during the busy season. If you enjoy these ideas, tell us in the comments which element you'd try first. A new lighting plan, a textile upgrade, a wall accent, or a mini tree on a dresser. And if you want more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified when new decorating ideas arrive. We've got seasonal looks for every taste, from classic and cozy to modern and minimalist, all designed to fit real homes and real budgets. Thank you for watching and for letting us be part of your Christmas decorating journey. May your bedroom feel more magical with every little touch, and may you find calm and joy in the process of decorating. Happy holidays, and see you in the next video.